Hi, I'm Jimmy Chang, and we're here to talk about how to make a graph using the slope and a point. Now, it's actually one of those processes that is pretty straightforward after you get the hang of it. So let's do a couple of examples and see how it works. Now, one of the things you want to think about is the slope, which is the letter M, is rise over run. Now, if you get that definition down, it'll really become easy for you when it comes to graphing lines using slopes and a point. So here's an illustration. Suppose you have the slope is equal to 3/2, and you're given a point, let's just say -3, 1. Okay, so you have a graph that looks like this. You're graphing -3, 1. Now, the slope is 3/2. So what that means here is, because it's rise over run, that means you're going to rise 3 and you're going to run 2. So rise of 3 means you're going up 3, and a run of 2 means you're going to the right 2 places. So from the point that you just graphed, you're literally going to follow the directions. You're going to go up 3, and then you're going to go over 2. And then once you have that, you're just going to graph the line like so. Now, let's do another quick example so you can see what's going on. Now, suppose you have, let's just say the slope was -2, and you're given a point, let's just say 0, -3. Now, what that means here is you're going to graph 0, -3 first, and then you're going to use the slope -2. Now, -2, anytime you have a slope, if it's a whole number, you actually want to write it as a fraction because you want to take advantage of the rise over run relationship. So we're going to take the -2 and going to rewrite it as -2/1. So any whole number can be thought of as that number over 1. Now what you want to do after that is, again, look at the definition, rise over run. So that means you're going to have a rise of a -2 and a run of 1. Now what does a rise of -2 mean? Negative rise means you're going down. Run 1 means you're going over to the right 1 place. So from this point, we're going to follow the directions. We're going to go down 2 because of the rise of -2, and we're going to go over 1. And then you got your graph because you can just connect the dots like so. So I hope this gives you an introduction on how to do it, but as you can tell, it's pretty straightforward. So I'm Jimmy Chang, and that's how to draw a graph using the slope and a point.